Hi, my name's Teresa. I'm the general manager of the shops here at Missouri Star Quilt Company. I'm actually going to begin my 8th year on February 3rd, so that's kind of an exciting landmark for me. So this morning I brought in some projects that I have made, and I guess I'm kind of thinking towards Valentine's Day right now. So last year Misty did this wonderful little quilt, and it's called Confetti Hearts. Well, her quilt was a lot bigger than mine, so I cut it down to a more manageable size. My daughter helped me. She said, "Mom, these are great panels to use with the confetti hearts," and so we figured out a little pattern for me. So this is panel pieces actually, and then all these little hearts are part of Misty's confetti heart pattern. It's a lot of fun to do. There are a lot of tiny little pieces, so make sure that you got your little baggie handy to put your pieces in. Otherwise, if you're like me, you'll be looking on the floor and in the dog's hair and everything else to find it. This is a fat quarter project, and in the shops we get to do fat quarter projects, which means we take fat quarters and we give them like 3 to 4 fat quarters, and they can make pretty much whatever they want. One year the theme was on snowmen. So this is what I opted to do with mine for a snowman. I just saw the picture on Pinterest, which is a deadly place for me to go. I always find way too many things to do. And if you notice on this is a little flower yo-yo. I love yo-yos. So that was a way for me to incorporate a yo-yo there. And then this was also, we did this one right before COVID, and we were doing a fat quarter project once again in the shops. And instead of doing the traditional cotton projects, I wanted to do something just a little bit different. And I saw this picture on Pinterest, of course, and then I took and created wool, and I actually pleated her little skirt, and then you can kind of raise it up. It's a cute little thing. And then this is her puppy, and then once again I got to make my yo-yos. So this is what this is all about. So when I am not busy quilting, I have a ton of hobbies that I like to do, but probably some unusual things you might not know about me would be that since I've been in when I was in the 6th grade, I began puppeteering. So I have several puppets, and I used them throughout church, did a lot of skits, a lot of songs. Love doing that. That's a fun thing for me. And I ranger ride like a crazy woman. You'll see me out on the road anytime after work, and I get the 2 dogs, I go ranger ride all the time. Interesting fact also was my very first vehicle was a motorcycle. Honda Twin Star 175. That's what my dad got me to cruise on. Tell me what you're working on too. We like to see that on